So इतने सारे शेड्स हैं, मतलब कि आपकी पूरे की पूरे उसमें एक एपिसोड में different वो आते हैं. So the shades are there and you're mashallah se portraying them all so perfectly. But which
Thank you.
one
Thank you.
is more close to you? Like which one is कि जिसको जब आप
To me as in Umair Rana?
as okay, as Umair Rana, yes.
Well, let's say Bilal is the furthest away from me. So बेचारे Bilal के साथ जो सर्वर कर रहा है is probably the furthest away from me, and especially because it's Bilal. I mean, Bilal के साथ, I mean, off screen I'd be like, कि Bilal साहब, sorry sir, मैंने कहा off screen हम इसको balance करते हैं. So we used to do that kind of fun. I love him to bits. What a wonderful person he is. I think जो माँ के साथ उसका relationship है, that's very, I mean, I'm using the term, it's very Shakespearean. I really like that. वो as a performer मुझे बहुत पसंद है, but again as me a little different. मुझे लगता है सांप और उसका बच्चा है, और वो how they're fighting and loving and hating each other at the same time. The true romantic falling in love with purity, I think is close to me. That'd be close to who I am.
Okay.
But being obsessed by it and trying to get it, that is not me at all.
Okay.
No. So I mean, I'm pro love, not lust. Let's just put it that way.
Alright. नहीं, बल्कि कभी कभार हम यही सोचते हैं कि is Sarwar actually like really in love with Mansoora. इस वजह से आप अभी तक निकल सकते हैं. You can leave, you can exit. You will say बाहर में जाओ बच्चे, मैं I'll take the money or whatever, जो साइन वाइन अब हम वेट कर रहे हैं कि आपने कुछ साइन भी कराया था बिलाल से. So अगर कुछ ऐसा है, you can do those scheming and exit Mansoor's life.
Yeah.
But आप वो exit.
But he doesn't.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So
I think it's a bit of both things. I think mostly it is about his greed, जो इसकी चाल है, लालच है, because that has become his ruling want of life. जिस तरह की जिंदगी गुजर के आया था और जहाँ फिर इसकी माँ ने इसकी तरबियत की है, he's a wolf who has to hunt and keep it safe. So that is his super objective in life. Clash ये हो गया, he's now got two objectives of life. उसकी दो wants हो गई. जो दूसरी want है वो उसके साथ भी नहीं चल रही. It's literally the opposite. The other want is such an innocent, beautiful, naive girl, which is truly his original spirit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That is why that split is coming around from him. So, लेकिन having said that, a portion of it I think is true कि आप किसी के साथ वक्त गुजारते हैं ना, जैसा मर्जी का वक्त गुजरा हो, कुछ तो आपने जिंदगी गुजारी है. So there's a bit of, so मंसूरा के साथ कुछ तो है उसका. So he's not completely faking it. Of course, he's not completely faking it.
Yeah.
It might not be as sparky as it was in episode 1 or pre-episode 1. But kuch to hai. There is something.
I'm going to take you back to the Yumna ke saath jo scene tha aapka, bird wala, where she's playing with the bird and aap, मतलब she's engrossed, और आप पीछे से आते हैं. Oh my God, that scene even अभी मुझे बोलते हुए मुझे jitters आ रहे हैं. So आपको वो
मैं सुनते हुए wince कर रहा हूँ. Can you imagine? I'm wincing while I hear it.
I'm sure. So what was the thought process जब आप, and even directing wise, even actually shooting wise, because वो बहुत उसमें intensity थी, उसमें बहुत आपके role में हर चीज, emotions बहुत सारे थे दोनों side से. So tell me something about the scene.
I'll tell you two things. I'll tell you a BTS element. That was my first day of shoot. Can you believe it? The first day I'm shooting. First day. I come down from Lahore. I've moved to Karachi during that time. And मैं गया हूँ shoot पे. So the two things I had to do on my first day was romance with Atika Otto, who was mine and my Nana's crush. So I'm romancing with her.
Oh my God.
And later in the evening, I'm doing this bit with Yumna, whom I'm acting with after God knows 7-8 years or something, And Yumna ko main hamesha as a younger student kind look se dekha hai. And when I was done, I was like, Farooq bhai, aapne pehle din hi kya karwa diya mujhse? I'm feeling sick,
God.
So कहते हैं हाँ बस ठीक है, पहले दिन जो second hand गाड़ी पे चलाना सीखता उसको गाड़ी सही चलानी आती है, पहले दिन से deep end. But in that moment, I clearly remember walking down and, you know, holding her shoulders. The only way I could convince myself was I genuinely love this person. This person is adorable. This person is a, a beautiful soul. It's the soul I want to connect with. And I have connected with this soul somewhere in my past. But Istafa, I don't want to let go. I don't want this opportunity to be lost. That's the only thing that I was saying to myself as Sarwar, and then moved in. But I did feel a little creepy as Umair.
Yeah, I know. So इसके I'm like कितनी दफा आपने इसकी कोई retake हुई or it was all in one go?
The major take was single. Inserts में थोड़े से एक दो डाले थे because Farooq Bhai works very well aesthetically, as you've noticed. He's got his designs and he's got his aesthetics with light and props. उसके अंदर he took a few, but essentially it was one master and one two shot.
One two shot, okay. And Yumna के side से कुछ बताएं इसके बारे में. How is
Yumna is a sweetheart. I mean, yeah. I mean, to be very honest, I couldn't have done this if it was with someone who wasn't comfortable and making me feel comfortable doing something uncomfortable. You know. So and Yumna maintained her character, and I mean that in both ways. And she maintained Majibeen's innocence, which helped me as well. So because Majibeen की naivety or innocence जो है ना वो बहुत crucial है उस scene में, and of course the entire play.
Yeah. Because वो scene में उसके जो सारे उसके emotions, like आपके तो थे ही थे, but expressions and वो emotions, it was like a roller coaster from both your sides.
Yeah, on point. Or you know, it's not like small and loud. It's like इतना आपके पास barometer है, इसके अंदर इस range में आपने करना. So she was doing a wonderful job, and I was enjoying that. And as a theatre trained actor, you feed off other actors, their energy and their response as well.
और इसमें प्यार के सदके में हमने ये भी बहुत नोट किया है कि बहुत सारी आप लोगों की इमोशंस जो है ना, जो आप लोगों के एक्टर्स के जब ये लोग दिखाते हैं, इट्स मोर विद द OST के साथ they're playing around with it, and
yes,
and that captures it so well. And how do you as an actor feel that way? Okay, you know, dialogues हैं, yes, but then it's more of the आंखों से इतनी बातें हो जाती हैं. How do you feel? And as a theater actor, I'm sure you can relate to that.
Absolutely, because all three things come into play. One thing that helps us again is Farooq Rain. Farooq Bhai is someone who lives in old Indian and Pakistani songs. So black and white era, so lighting be or sound be or music be, and the sincerity, the earnest of the art, you know. So he works in that. So he thinks sound. He's sound intelligent, and I love that about him. Because मेरे नज़दीक अगर sound intelligence ना इस्तेमाल की जाए, you know, मैडम नूरजहां कहा करती थी कि जिन्हों सुर ना आंदा है कोई मसला नहीं, पर जिदी ताल खराब होवे उन्हों जूण दा हक नहीं. So everyone has to have some basic sound intelligence, and especially in creative industry. Farooq Rain has that. Many times what would happen was I would be whistling a song or singing. I would always have music, always behind the scenes, as green room, hamesha. So I always have some random kind of music playing. So Farooq Rain would say कि यार ये बड़ा ज़बरदस्त गाना है, चलाओ, अच्छा वो लगाओ, अच्छा ये सुनो, अच्छा वो सुनाओ, ये बड़ा अच्छा है, ये कौन सा है? So I'd be whistling a lot, and he said, let's incorporate that. I said, okay, so we incorporate whistling. And then he would often say, play this music in the background while the scene is being done. I said, perfect. So, you know, it would be easy for us. It creates the ambiance. So when that comes, and then he is one of the major architects of the original soundtrack, you know, and you can sense कि उसमें क्यों वो classic tinge आ रहा है, because that's who he is. That's the kind of genre he likes. So when that came, we were like, brilliant. ये तो बेहतरीन हो गया, बहुत अच्छा हो गया. So that really helped you write, and the music has helped. I'm glad. Otherwise, sound है ना तबाह कर देता है dramas हमारे बिला वजह.
But इसका OST is so like उसकी जो power है ना वो like it plays. Yeah.
And even my daughter Afia used to get freaked out when my music used to come. You know that. So she used to freak out. Scary music. So it's like. Yeah.
और अभी यही मैंने आपकी यही वाली whistle अभी recent आपकी Instagram post पे देखी मैंने कि आप whistle करते हुए. So
कीमा बनाया था मैंने कल. Yeah.
हाँ, तो मैं यही पूछने लगी हूँ, तो थोड़ा सा let's take it on a lighter and a home mode and बताएं. So do you cook?
I love to cook. I've never had the opportunity and time to cook. Now I did, especially quarantine, and this is one of the blessings. And I cooked. So अब मैं जब कराची भी आया, so I carried on. मैंने कहा I'm not stopping this momentum. तो कल कीमा बनाया था, हफ्ता पहले निहारी बनाई थी. So yeah.
अब हमें पता चल गया कि उमर is a great cook also.
नाश्ता तो मैं बचपन से नाश्ते बना रहा हूँ. All
अच्छा,
kinds of breakfast. हाँ, अंडों का दुश्मन हो.
अंडों का
Any
दुश्मन.
kinds of eggs you want.
So कभी ख्याल
All
आया
kinds.
restaurant, cafe, is that one of your things in the pipeline?
Not my thing, but my mother's a phenomenal cook, and my
Okay.
brother's a brilliant cook. And हमने एक WhatsApp group बना लिया था pre-quarantine, I think, and
हाँ.
वो चला quarantine में ज़्यादा. Always New York में, he's been cooking and baking. His sons have been baking and cooking. Myra, my wife, and I have been baking cooking here. Ammi, of course, is brilliant, and now Ryan has started making a few things as well. So Ammi कह रही थी, I think it is time to open, Rane ka khana or something, Rane ka dhaba or something. So it's like, all right.
That's good. Rane ka dhaba. हाँ. Okay.